Hello, my name is Jenny, Smile Potato Sexy Kin. I want to improve you one delicious restaurant. First, Ashley is many types have a menu and food. The price is 15,000. Taste is good. Food is steak, French fries, pizza, pasta, rice noodle, coffee, cake, fruits, pudding, soup, or many things. And go my family or friends. This is the gas station require outlet in 10th floor. The interior is good. Second, Outback. The Outback is expensive, but taste is delicious. The Outback sell the steak and go together a family, and the inside song is good. Third, beef. The beef is a little expensive. The beef is prepared. The maybe same actually food. Go together friends or family. Taste is delicious and very good things. It have a playing room for serving. It's not expensive. Taste is delicious. Made ice shaving with friends. Serving is very cold, so we are going. Thank you for listening my favorite restaurant.